Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna talk about Earth again. Let's review about Earth, our planet. Now, what is Earth? Earth is our home. Earth is a planet. Earth has 7 other neighbor planets. Wow! And it has one star, which is the sun that you see in the daytime. Now, Earth is very big, like really big. So big that this little thing here is the whole Thailand. And this dot, boop, a little more, boop, 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 that is Bangkok. Bangkok is so big, but compared to the size of Earth, it looks really small. Earth is very big, guys. And because it's big, it has many different types of nature. And because it has many different types of nature, it has many habitats for different types of animals and living things to live and grow. Look at all these living things. It's because of the different habitats there are on Earth. 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water. 70%. That's more than half of Earth is water. And it's the only planet with life. So Earth is very important. When you look at the sky in the daytime, you see this. This is the sun. Now, if you zoom in on the sun, it looks like this. A big exploding ball of fire. Now, in the picture, when you look at the sky, it looks not that big, right? It looks quite small. But actually, sun is very big. You see, this is Earth compared to the sun. Oh, it's like an ant, like a tiny ant compared to the sun. But guys, remember, this is not the real distance between Earth and the sun, okay? This is Photoshop. Earth is actually very far away from the sun. So the sun is very big. Now, Earth has one moon. Let's zoom on the moon. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, it's beautiful, right? Now, you may be thinking, teacher, moon and the sun looks the same size when we look at the sky, but actually look, the moon is quite small compared to the earth. So compared to the sun, oh, moon is too small. Now, in movies, they show that Earth and the moon are very close, but no, they're actually very far away from each other. They're actually 405,696 kilometers away from each other. So, Earth and the moon are not close to each other like in the movies or cartoons or anime. They're actually very far away. So this is the actual distance between the Earth and the moon. Now, let's talk about directions. This device is called a compass. A compass shows the 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. The top of the Earth is where north is, and the bottom of the Earth is where south is. So this is north and this is south. So north and south. So if you look at the Earth from the north, it looks like this. And if you look at Earth from the south, it looks like this. Cool, right? So let's look at here. East means right. This is east. West means left. So east and west, like this. East, west. Now let's put them together. North, south, east, west. Now we can make it short, say NSEW. Don't panic. Look at this. Wow, look at here. So between north and east, we have northeast. Between north and west, we have northwest. Between south and east, we have southeast. And between south and west, we have southwest. Or it can look like this, like a compass. Now, if you hold a compass, it may look like this. The red and blue one show the true north and south. So if you hold it here, it looks like this. So that means you have to turn your compass so it can look like this. This is pointing at north and this is pointing at south. Now, if we open Earth's surface, it will be the world map. This is the world map. And here's the world map with the names. Hey, this is Thailand. This is Thailand here. So, some countries got their name because of cardinal directions. For example, we have North Korea and South Korea. Even continents got their name because of cardinal directions. For example, we have North America and South America. That's cool. Now, let's talk about Earth's rotation. Earth rotates from west to east. Remember, this is east, this is west. So it rotates from west to east. It rotates from its left to right. Okay? So, let's look at here. The Earth rotates once every 24 hours. So, one day. It takes one day for Earth to rotate completely. That's one day. Now, day on Earth is when our side of the Earth faces the sun. So when you're on this side, when you're facing the sun, that is daytime. And when you're facing away from the sun, that is nighttime. So this place is nighttime and this place is daytime. That's it. On Earth, some places it can be daytime, and at the same time, some places it can be dark, it can be nighttime. Because Earth is a globe, right? Look at here. Imagine Thailand is here, and imagine Canada is here. So in Thailand, let's say it's daytime, and in Canada, it's nighttime. That's possible. Now, look at here. This is the sun. Here is daytime because it's facing the sun, and here is nighttime because it's facing away from the sun. So, because Earth rotates very fast, the stars in the sky, including the sun, appear to be moving. But it's Earth rotating, not the stars moving. You see in this video, it looks like all these stars are moving up. No, it's the Earth rotating. Now, same goes for the sun. It looks like the sun is moving, but no, it's the Earth rotating. Look at this video of sunset that I took. See? It looks like the sun is moving down. It's going down. But actually, it's not. The sun is staying still. But actually, it's the Earth rotating. So, let's talk about sunrise and sunset. When the sun appears in the morning, we call it sunrise. See, this is sunrise. The sun is coming out. It's not actually coming out, it's the Earth rotating. But it looks like the sun is coming out. This is sunrise. Now, the sunrise looks like this. See, it comes, it comes up. That's sunrise. Now, the start of the night is when the sun sets. We call that sunset. You see, in these videos, the sun is going down. It looks like it's going down, and the night is gonna start. We call this sunset. I love sunset. I recorded both of these videos with my phone. I love watching sunset. It's amazing. Now, the sunset looks like this. It looks like the sun is going down. And when it goes down, it's nighttime. So, let's see. This is sunrise from a space shuttle. You see, it looks like the sun is moving up, but actually it's the earth rotating. This is sunrise. Now, look at here. People here are experiencing sunrise because this is the start of the day for them. And the other side, when they go in the dark side, when they go to the side that is facing away from the sun, that is sunset. So when they come here, sunrise, and when they go away, that is sunset. So sun rises from the east and it sets in the west. Do you remember? Earth rotates from west to east, and that's why the sun appears to rise from the east and set in the west. Now, if you're wondering, teacher, that doesn't make sense. Watch this video. It will make sense.
Now, I'm gonna do an experiment to show you how the sun rises for us from east and it sets in west, okay? It's very easy to do. Okay guys, now let's say that house, okay, is the sun, okay?
sun.
Just imagine that that's the sun, okay? And as I told you before, Earth rotates from west to east. It rotates from its west to east. So when it moves from west and it moves to the east. Remember, west means left to right. It moves from left to right. Now focus on this building, okay? See when you see it. Okay, we are in west. We move to the east. Look, the building is out. It's just like sunrise. And then we go. Uh-oh, it's gone. This is sunset. So one more time, imagine this is the sun. We move from west, left, and we go. Oh look, sunrise. And we keep going. And sunset.
Okay. So in that video, you saw how the sun rises from east and sets in west. Okay guys, that's it for today's review. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye everyone. See you.